I wanted to share with you a charging station I made, mostly with items I already had. I'm quite pleased the way it turned out and thought I'd share. I use it to charge my 3 cameras, 2 power packs, and my phone. It also has a USB powered light inside just for looks. Not only does it charge, but it stores as well. I picked up this clear plastic container for a few bucks, and it's a bit smaller than a shoebox. I cut an X in the plastic to run a power bar cord through. I would highly recommend a power bar with the surge protector. I hot glued the power bar to the bottom, and I also bought a mini USB power bar and hot glued it to the side just to keep it stationary. I carefully cut some rectangular holes with an X-Acto knife to run the USB cables through. This particular plastic was brittle and wanted to crack if I wasn't careful. I originally cut holes in the lid, but I wasn't happy with cables coming out of the top, plus it looked kind of messy. I used cable ties to neatly wrap up excessive cables, and after everything is charged, it all stores away inside the container. Next week I'm installing a flux capacitor so I can travel through time. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.